Welcome to the project demonstration of rangefinder for collision detection system. So the main application of this project is we are going to mount this particular sensor, which is a lidar. So light sensor based obstacle detection. So before collision it will detect the obstacle in front of a vehicle. Means we are going to mount this in front of a vehicle, like the heavy vehicle or a car. So the particular distance will be displayed on this LCD screen. And when the distance of the front obstacle or a car, anything, if it is below 30 meters till 20 meters, means if it is between 20 to 30 meters, only the light will be on. So indicated as the obstacle is going to be within the vicinity, like below 30 and above 20 meters. Whenever the particular obstacle comes down to below 20 meters, then and there we will get the buzzer indication also from this box along with light indication. Both means 20 to 30 meters we will get the light indication, and below 20 meters light and a buzzer. The whole system driven by the battery connection. So for demonstration we can use a 9 volts battery connector. So we need to connect the particular battery over here. So it's a battery slot, or else if you want to make it in real time demonstration, just connect this at the same slots. So here to this section, just connect this plug-in, and this is for the battery of a car, okay, or car or any vehicle. I'm repeatedly telling you, this is the plus, and yellow and green is going to the negative. So we are not supposed to connect reverse polarity, then the system may get damaged and it's a bit expensive. So plus is for violet and blue, and minus is for green and yellow, right? And connect the same polarity to the battery. Check before connection properly. And then once we get the connection to the battery, then there will be a welcome message on your screen. Just I'm showing that now. So just I'm showing this battery. So here checking that this is a negative and this one is the positive. So now just positive to the positive and negative to the negative. Check before connection properly. So once the connection was made, so there will be a welcome message on our screen, right? So the light on and off 2 times, and now my flow height is 200 centimeters, that is 2 meters, okay, right? So for demonstration purpose we can use the 9 volts battery. This is a real-time demonstration purpose wire connection which is provided for 3 meters of power cable. We can up to connect that, and this is 9 volts battery connector. Just plug in that, same status, okay. And coming to the inside the system, right? So there we interface the whole system to our main controlling unit. There's a microcontroller unit, Arduino Uno. So the particular sensor interface at 2 and 3 pins, and this particular LED interface at 13th pin of our Uno board, and LCD interface at 14th to 19th pin, and buzzer is interface at the 5th pin of our Uno board, okay. So these are main connections inside this box, and just close it properly. If you open that, we should check the connections properly, and let us see the demonstration in the outside. So because we need to show with the 45 meters of checking distance of obstacles. Now just connect this battery. So now we are showing to upside, okay. So you can check the distance. When it is above 30 meters, light will be off. When it is, I'm showing to corridor, okay. So it's work on the beam directly. So the light is sharp, light will be transmitted. You can see this. So the light is transmitting, and one is the receiver, okay, right. So whenever I'm showing to the obstacle, because there is one chair, I'm showing that, so then the buzzer also will be indicated, right, okay. Right. So in this manner we can mount this particular sensor in front of any vehicle, like heavy vehicle, then automatically the buzzer will be indicated within the vicinity of the obstacles detection. Thank you.